Very simple mechanical trading here with the 3 bar system. And this is explained how you can make a living or make money trading mechanically.
Only things that you need, and I'm going to show that to you today. So today you'll see on the screen here, guys, that is a 3-bar play. Okay, it's a wide range igniting bar, a narrow range resting bar, and then a continuation bar. We can have 2 variations. It's a 3-bar play where we have 1 resting bar, or we can have a 4-bar play where we have 2 resting bars, and those resting bars should be in the upper 50% of that wide range igniting bar. Now, the reason I wanted to teach this to you today, guys, is not just because it's so simple, but because it doesn't take a lot of time, not only to learn it, but to trade it. Most of the patterns and trades that you're going to see lasted anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes. So think about this for a second. I want you to imagine, no matter where you live in the world, waking up 30 minutes before the market opens. So New York time, the market opens at 9:30. I want you to imagine waking up at 9 a.m. or not waking up, but waking up at 8:30, getting in front of your desk at 9 a.m. Okay? Scanning for 15 to 20 minutes. All right? Then at the market open 9:30, trading for no more than 30 to 45 minutes. Basically, your entire day is 1 hour. Maybe on a long day, it's 90 minutes. You might go from 9 a.m. to 10:30. And I am not joking in any way, shape, or form, guys. This isn't hocus pocus nonsense. I'm going to show you in just a minute over here real trades that I have taken with real P&Ls and real fills, real account numbers, real order numbers, all that stuff. No hocus pocus. Okay, now we can talk about a lot of other aspects of trading like psychology or money management or trade management or level 2 or, getting filled or all that. That's a different time. Today I want to teach you just a simple pattern called a 3-bar play and a 4-bar play, because you can make a living on just this one pattern and you can do it in an hour a day or less. All right, so let me show you guys. I have about 5 or 10 slides I want to go over. Also a couple trades from today that we took that are 3-bar plays that I want to show you guys, and you'll see not only how simple the pattern is, but how quickly you can get to your targets using it so you don't have to sit in front of your computer all day. Let's get to it, guys.
Guys.
All right, guys, let's dig into this. Like I said, today's goal is to help you guys make more money using a 3 and 4-bar play because of its simplicity and because of how quickly it can be done. But I want to state this, and I want to be very, very clear about it. Trading is not an easy business, okay? Even though this pattern is very, very simple. There's a quote, there's a saying, we say trading is simple but not easy. There's still a lot of nuances that you need to learn to become a great trader. But today we're going to learn a simple pattern that if you master properly, you can make a lot of money using in less than an hour a day, okay? So let's take a look and dig in, guys. So the 3-bar play. This can be done in 2 capacities, a 3-bar play and a 4-bar play, all right? So the first bar must be a wide-ranged igniting bar. What I mean by that is simply this. It cannot be the 4th bar up on a move. It can't be the 5th bar up on a move. I see so many people mistake a 3-bar play for a stock that's up 5 or 6 bars and then puts in a little red bar and then continues higher. That is not, unequivocally, that is not a 3-bar play. Bar number 1 must be wide range and it must be igniting. Must be wide range and it must be igniting over resistance or in the short side under support. Okay? Are we clear on this? It should be an above average size bar. So if an average size bar is 50 cents, you want this bar to be 75 cents or $1, assuming you're on a 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute chart, etc. Okay? So it has to be a wide range, which means above average in size, and igniting, which means the first or second bar of a move over resistance on the long side or under support on the short side. I've made myself very clear. Okay? The next bar should be a narrow range resting bar. That's it. Narrow range resting bar. Let the stock cool off just a little bit, and then the third bar should be the trigger bar. This is the entry bar, but it's also the continuation move. Okay, so what we're looking at here overall is a momentum trade, guys. A wide range bar that ignites over resistance, a little narrow range bar that's in that upper 50%, okay, upper 50% of the range. I don't care what color it is. Guys, it could have a bottoming tail. It could have a topping tail on bar number 2. It can be a green bar. It can be a red bar. I don't care what color it is, okay? And the entry is...
So I'm just saying buy here at the market. Maybe you do put a buy stop there for confirmation entry. But that is good. And then here we have the same where you would have bought here at the market. Because it's down here. And your buy stop gets triggered. Here you're selling at the market with a sell stop. So that's my interpretation of how to trade this simple mechanical system. But this is going to matter. This bar here, how fat is that? This one you can run tighter stops because you get in a triangle. And here you can run tighter stops here. And there's actually more. There's a 3-bar vacuum. Well, here's only a 2-bar vacuum. The current path of least resistance. So, nice clean system. Of course, it is going to matter if the spread is 5 and your target is 10 pips with a 15 pip target. Yes, if you get stopped out of that trade, it's true that your win rate has to be pretty fucking good if you're going to trade, and this guy's on a maybe 5-minute chart, but maybe there's no spread on stocks. I don't know. People say it's very cheap to trade for some reason. Depends. I guess depends how tight your broker runs their spreads. But yeah, that's the 3-day bar system. Very simple, very easy, makes money. I would say that is the ticket. Just trade that. It'll be fine.